Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The driver of the white truck recklessly ran a red light and crashed into a passing car, causing severe damage to both vehicles. The moment the pickup truck lost control and crashed into the roadside barrier, the vehicle shattered into pieces. Incidents involving large trucks have been witnessed in various situations, highlighting the inherent challenges and risks of operating large commercial vehicles on the road. Let's get it on. No matter how many times you try, they cut in front of you. Don't do that, bro. Roads were in terrible shape. What the? Stay safe, folks. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. What was wrong with him? Pray that both of them are all right. That red light violation was undeniably careless. There's absolutely no justification for it. And the incident involved due to overcorrection, right? Be careful, everyone. Looks like someone's mind was somewhere else. Stay alert, man. Looks like someone's mind was somewhere else. Stay alert, man. Luckily, the truck driver was able to dodge. Looks at least nobody got hurt in this case. Keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. At all times, everyone. The brake system didn't work. Anyway, he did a good job. Stay focused on the road and avoid distractions, bro. Be prepared for sudden stops. Thankfully, everyone is okay. I think he moved faster than he meant to. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Oh, that was a tree. Luckily, the driver was not injured. Hey, don't take up the lane like that. Please be careful. Stay safe, you guys. No one was hurt. Oh my God, the car caught fire immediately. I hope the driver got out quickly. Well, it seemed not to have moved smoothly. Thankfully, no one was injured. Never tailgate or follow other vehicles too closely mate. Distraction, drowsiness, or impairment. Pray that they are all right. You would have been charged with dangerous, driving for that. Don't do it. Always stay focused on the road as well. Do not take your mind off the road ahead. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with number 1. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road, or didn't even get his attention. Oh, everything is so chaotic. I hope everyone is okay and that things get resolved smoothly. It seems like he took the turn too wide. Be careful, please. If the speed is chosen incorrectly, adding gas provokes the front axle drifting out of turn. Never take your mind off the road ahead. Pay attention to the traffic situation to control the situation and use your brakes in time. Whoops, what a mess. Be careful, mate. Everyone you really need to slow down with on a rainy day. Apply the brakes gently and gradually to avoid skidding. If your vehicle is equipped with a BS, maintain firm, but steady pressure on the brake pedal